Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess with Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will go over how to add a cookie banner to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Then we will go to the search bar. For this tutorial, we will use a cookie banner app from the Shopify store. So we will go to the search bar and click cookie banner and then open in the Shopify App Store. Here you can choose the ultimate GDPR EU Cookie Banner, which will allow you to utilize this app for free. So we will click install. This will bring us back to our store with the permissions needed for this app to work on our store. Then we'll click install and it will install the app to our Shopify store. Once it resets, you'll see that we have now installed the app and we could go through and enable it and set it live in our store. So here you can do quick themes to quickly add a update to your cookie banner. So if you do these quick themes, you'll see how they change on the right hand side. Choose one that you would like to use for your store. Then we can show it for all countries or the EU only. It has a confirmation text already in. Got it. It will automatically connect your privacy policy link. And we have a learn more link, which is here. And if we scroll down, you have some additional updates for the customization of your cookie banner. Once you have it to your liking, you can click save. We'll click enable the app in our store, which will bring up the settings here. So we'll click here. It will bring us to our theme editor where we can go into the apps and turn this on. So once we enter our store and everything loads, you'll see it'll come in at the app embeds and the cookie banner is here. So we will toggle this on and then we will click save. You'll see your banner below and you will be able to remove it and just like your customers would be. So now we'll go up and click exit. And our app, we know that it has been enabled. We can see it live. And if we wanted to go advanced, we will be able to update the CSS of our app and any custom JavaScript for that. So that is how you add a cookie banner on Shopify with the ultimate GDPR EU Cookie Banner Shopify app.